In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel a ride in the Moovn app quickly and easily. Cancelling at the right time can help you avoid unnecessary charges. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Moovn app on your smartphone. 2. Make sure you are logged into your account. 3. Go to the My Rides or Upcoming Rides section. 4. Select the ride you want to cancel from the list. 5. Tap on the ride to open its details. 6. Look for the Cancel Ride option and tap on it. 7. Confirm your cancellation when prompted. 8. Wait for the confirmation message that your ride has been cancelled. Your ride will be successfully cancelled after following these steps.